I recently came across this new channel which has gained 204,000 subscribers with just 35 videos. And they are making more than $5,000 with that. The niche that they are following is not a new niche, but they have done something unique. They have combined two niches, bedtime stories and historical stories, to create a new, unique niche, the bedtime history niche. Now you may think that does this niche actually work? Well, if you take a look at this channel, they have started posting videos a month ago, and this video, which was uploaded 2 weeks ago, has gained 2.3 million views. This video is the turning point of this channel. If you take a look at the previous videos, they have normally had around 5,000 views. But this specific video has gained 2.3 million views, and I'm 100% sure that with this one video, they have gained more than 100,000 subscribers. So what I wanted to say was, if you keep your consistency, you only need one video to bring your channel to the next level. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a unique YouTube channel like this channel from scratch. Almost all the tools that I'm going to be using for this video are free, so you don't have to worry about that as well. If you really want to start this channel, you can do it without spending any money. I will also show you a trick to boost your subscriber count so that you can reach this goal easily. So, let's start the process. I'm not going to talk about finding a name or creating a description for this channel. It's not that complicated, and I don't want to waste your time on that. You can use these prompts on ChatGPT to find those. Just do it. When it comes to the logo and banner image for your channel, you can use the Canva free version. No need to buy their subscription. Basically, what you need to do is select this custom size option and use 2000 pixels as both height and width. Then you will come to this editing dashboard. Here you need to select a color. I'm going to go with the yellow color theme, so you can go to the elements and select this shape and add it here. Then you need to resize it to fit the whole area, and let's change the color. Now, I'm just going to add the two initial letters of the name I selected like this by adding a text layer. Honestly, a simple logo like this would be enough. You don't need to spend a lot of your time on this. Now, for the banner image, you need to select the custom size and insert 2560 pixels as the width and 1440 pixels as the height. I'm going to use the same yellow color for this as well, just like we did before. Add a shape layer and change its color. Then, if you want, you can add some graphics like this to this banner. It's completely optional. If you want to keep the minimalist look, you can add some silhouettes like this as well. Then, just add a simple slogan like this in the middle, and with that, you are all set with branding. Now here's the most important part: channel creation. If you think you can just go to YouTube and start a new channel and do this process, you're doing it wrong, and you will not get any views. Matter of fact, your channel is most likely to get shadow banned after your first upload. So, basically what shadow banning is, the YouTube algorithm thinks that you are a bot. Like, when this happens, it stops suggesting your videos to audiences and pushes your videos. That's why, no matter how good your videos are, you are not getting any views. Literally, your analytics page will look like this. That's why you should use an old Gmail account to create this channel. If you are using a new one, make sure to warm up your channel for at least 2 weeks. What I meant by warming up is, after creating your new account, interact with the YouTube algorithm as a normal user, watch videos, subscribe to channels, like and comment. Do those things with the new account for at least 2 weeks. After that, start to upload. The next mistake that a lot of new YouTubers make is they are begging for subscribers. They start videos by asking the viewer to subscribe to their channel. Bro, you don't need to ask that. If the viewers find your videos interesting and your channel valuable to them, they will subscribe to your channel. And I have seen a lot of comments on my videos where new channels are asking other people to subscribe to them by saying new YouTubers gather and ask others to subscribe to their channel. In return, they will also subscribe to your channel. If you are doing this, stop it right now. It will only ruin your channel and lead to a shadow ban. You can't cheat the YouTube algorithm by doing these silly tricks. What this will do is it will increase your subscriber count with the people who aren't interested in your videos, which means they are not going to watch your videos. Then the YouTube algorithm will not push your videos to a new audience, which will result in a shadow ban. So don't make these two mistakes. Now let's move on to the content creation process. As you can see in this channel, these videos have around 50 minutes. Now, in order to make a similar script to these videos, we need to adapt to their presentation style, which is very calm and mesmerizing. I have created 2 unique prompts. The first one is for content idea generation, which you can use to make any number of video ideas for this niche. The second one is to generate unique style scripts for video ideas. As you can see here, I have generated 10 video ideas for this niche. I'm going to select one of these topics and insert it into the second prompt, and let's generate. Guys, you can get these prompts from the description. There's a Google Drive link, just download the Word file. Now, I think this script will be perfect for our first video. Before going into the video creation process, let me show you a cool AI tool. The name of this AI tool is Video Talk. This is an automation AI tool that can generate AI video YouTube shorts with just a single prompt. The best thing is that they are not using steady images for the videos. They are using AI-generated videos. You can use this tool to generate short-form content for your niches. You can use short videos for this niche as well. It will help you boost your growth and get subscribers fast. Let me show you how to use this tool to generate short videos. Once you sign up for this AI tool, you need to go to the Faceless Videos option. Here you can either enter your video script or upload the voiceover for the video. You can also try this AI script tool to generate the script for your video. So I'm just going to insert the topic of our first short video. Then you need to select an aspect ratio, which is 9:16 for short videos. Then you need to set the duration to 60 seconds. This video doesn't have any custom characters, therefore I'm not going to enable this option. Now we can use either images or animated videos, it's up to you. For this example, I'm going to go with animated clips. Then you need to select a suitable AI model for these videos. Let's go with this Kling 1.6 model. After that, you need to select a style for your video. We have animated, 3D, 2D, realistic, and more styles. I think we should go with a realistic style for this niche. Therefore, let's select this style. Then you can select a language. I'm going to go with English, and finally select a suitable voice from this AI voice list. Make sure to select a calm and mesmerizing voice so that this video can fit our niche. Then click the Generate Video option. After that, you will come to this page where you can review the script of this video. If you need to make any changes, you can do that. Then the next page will show you all the prompts that you're going to be using for the video creation. So if you want to change those, you can do that here. After that, click the Generate Video option, and it will only take several minutes to complete your video. Now, before you download the video, you can customize several things, such as subtitle style. With this editing dashboard, you can select any of these subtitle styles and change colors as you like. And if you go to this media, you can see all the videos that have been used in this short. You can replace those with new videos, generate new AI videos, or upload external videos. With this background music feature, you can change the background music and edit the volume. And if you want to add sound effects to the video, you can use these effects and add them to suitable places. If you go to this publish option and select YouTube from the top, you can generate titles, descriptions, and tags for your video as well. So all you need to do is upload the video to your channel and copy this information. It's really simple. Let's check the final video.
This ancient wonder was so incredible that sailors could see it from over 30 miles away. The lighthouse of Alexandria, built around 280 BC, stood as the world's first true lighthouse and one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Rising nearly 450 feet tall, about the height of a 40-story modern building, it was the tallest man-made structure on Earth for centuries. The lighthouse featured 3 tiers, a square base, an octagonal middle, and a circular top section where massive fires burned every night. During the day, a giant mirror made of polished bronze reflected sunlight as a navigation guide. The entire structure was built from massive limestone blocks, held together with molten lead that solidified in the seams. For almost 600 years, it guided ships safely into Alexandria's harbor.
This looks absolutely perfect and mesmerizing. Not only this, you can use this AI tool to generate ultra-realistic product videos and AI avatar videos as well, but that's for another video. You can get this AI tool using the link in the description. Now, let's go back to creating our long-form video. Now, we have the video script, so the next step is going to be generating voiceovers. Now, you can use 11 Labs for this process. They offer free 10,000 characters, which you can use to create several videos. You can use this to start your channel. Then when your channel starts to grow, you can get their basic package. Consider this as an investment. So once you sign up, you need to search for a calm and mesmerizing voice. The voice I'm going to use is called Professor Bill. After selecting the voice, copy the script part by part and generate the voiceovers. Then you can download those and place them in the separate folder. The next important thing is to generate an image with vintage and historical color tones. For this process, You can use any image generator. I'm going to use Leonardo AI for that. They offer daily free credits, so you don't have to purchase their paid plan. You can also use AI tools like Krea.ai and CGDrams AI to get free image generation. I think with these three tools, you can create AI images and videos without paying any money. When it comes to generating images, you need to use accurate prompts. So, what I'm going to do is ask ChatGPT to generate 25 image prompts in the correct order to represent the above video script. These images are going to have the same color tone and style. Once the prompts are generated, go back to your preferred AI image generator and generate all the images. If you want, you can use AI videos as well. Now that I have created all the images, it's time to edit these and make the final output using CapCut. Again, if you want, you can use any other video editor for this process. It doesn't matter. This process is really simple. First, you need to select the size of this video as 16:9 vertical ratio. Then import all the voiceover files, images, and AI videos you created to this. Start the editing process by adding the voiceover files first, and then add the suitable images and videos in the matching places. This process is super easy, not complex editing skills needed. Just drag and drop. Make sure to mix both images and AI videos. After you complete that part, we need to do sound effects to make this video more like ASMR style and bedtime story style. You can use a website like Pixabay to find the necessary sound effects. As an example, this first video is about the ocean, so we can add a sound of ocean waves and wind to this part. Take your time and add all the sound effects, then go to text from the top menu and click the auto caption feature and generate captions for the whole video. Honestly, these captions are not necessary, so it's completely up to you. You can edit the caption using this side menu, select a suitable font, and effects for the captions. You can add caption animations to those by going into this animation feature and selecting the caption option. There are lots of animation styles available. Make sure to select a good one. After that, you just need to add calm background music to this video. You can use YouTube Audio Library to download copyright-free background music, and with that, the video creation process is done. Let's take a look at the first few seconds of our video before finishing this tutorial.
Close your eyes. Let the soft waves of the Mediterranean carry you back in time to a world lit not just by fire and stars, but by wonder, wisdom, and a single glowing tower. Welcome to Alexandria, the city of scrolls, of secrets, of science. And tonight, beneath the silver moonlight of memory, we visit a marvel the world has never quite forgotten. The Lighthouse of Alexandria, the beacon that watched the world.
So, just like this, you can create videos for this specific niche. It's not that complicated. I hope this video was valuable for you guys. If you have any question, just drop a comment. I will see you guys in the next video.